Yo, 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 what's up, Wrench, my boy? How you doing, homie? How are ya? You got some good sleep yesterday? Okay, let me share my screen and soon we'll just get started with our stuff. Doing straight stuff, nice, nice. It's good. That's good. Good. Nice to do that. Nice to do that once in a while, right? Once in a while, it's nice to do straight stuff. May a little bit change in your daily routine. Ah, nah, I don't trust that, man. I don't trust that. That's cap. That's cap. But yo, have you how long it took you to complete the try hack me's thing, like the side quest? Pants on hire or fire? Wait, you didn't do the side quest yet? Pass frag part. Okay. Okay, that's fine. I think on the weekend I will have time and we'll do it. Um, Tomorrow at least I will be late. I actually have a meeting. Yeah, like so I start streaming from 8 a.m. in my time, and that's when the room is released. But tomorrow I have meetings at 8, so I have to like do at night 9. Okay, I see. Okay, 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 okay. Makes sense now. Yeah, dude. Good part is at least I will have a job for next half a year at least, half a year or 7 8 months. Okay, you got the first one. That's good. Yeah, I got the project, so I have like a job for next 7 8 months, and I have to just keep an eye on like getting a different job in future. Oh, no one can get that. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm like very less stressed though, like now because I was thinking I might get terminated from my contract. So I'm very stress free right now, which is a good thing, and able to like do the things I want to like focus more on this and that stuff. And also, I'm still your cut, dude. You will get the cut. Actually, here's the interesting thing. I was talking to the people right from the sponsorship, so they did. I was able to get your ones added here, and so you will get your cut from this, which is I think 11 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6, so 10 plus wait, no, 2 2 2 6 7 8 9 20. So you have $20, bro. You whatever $20 will get you, and more if you get the try if you win any of the try happy ones. So you do have a cut here, fully your cut from the heroes of history. And we have to like I need to like get more of this one done, and you keep an eye on let me mm, sorry, remind me of like what level you reach. I will talk to them about this one. Not this one, like, so I will have mine one, right, which I paid for, which I earned like let's say 30 40 bucks, but you earned yourself like 20 bucks, right, almost. So I remember all the people who do it will have a special one for the money they made. So if you are the only one who completed all the dues, you will get all the money anyways, right? So there is no point on having a giveaway. You can buy another hard drive. Yeah, yeah. Like there was only like I know the other download was also by Idor, and I did got him something. Oh yes, sorry, RAM. Yes, yes, yes. You're right. You're right. You're right. My bad. You're right. You're right. My bad. Okay. But yeah, let's get started so we can blind plus memory loss. Yes, yes, that's true. That's true. Bro, I don't have the best memory at all. I'll be honest with that. I'm just going to keep this running here on my this side. Okay. No, I actually do have a very bad memory. I have good memory when it comes to commands and like remembering the work stuff, but like the personal life stuff, I have the worst one. Yeah, pretty much. So, okay, going back, right, to our main thing, which is problem 1 to 8, longest consecutive sequence. Lock in time, baby. Lock in time. I wanted to keep this one. This is, I believe, continuing to our journey. We are in the hash map one again. This is the last one from hash map, and it's a medium problem. So that's why this is the only one we'll be doing today. And let's lock in and see how much further we can make the progress. So problem 128. Let me give you the link, and everyone else. Okay, the longest consecutive sequence. Given an unsorted array of integers nums, return the length of the longest consecutive element sequence. You must write an algorithm that runs in ON time, which is nice. Some thinking will be required here. So let me get my obsidian out. So nums 104, 200, 132. The longest and output is 4. The longest consecutive element sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yo, Panda, what's up? Okay. Now, in this case, we have 9 as the input because we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 2 zeros. Yep, that's what I said. Wait. 0 to 8. Oh, 0 to 8 will be like 9 then. Okay, doubles are not counted. Got it. Okay. So we have to like... The challenge here is this has to be done in ON time. Right, so... Lock in time though, lads. Lock in time. Panda, lock in time, Panda. We need to complete this problem in our hand. Okay. So, 128. Yeah, we are nerds, lads. We are nerds. Now we have this array, right? As we go through the array, we need to find the longest sequence. The sequence doesn't have to start from 0 or 1, right? It can start from, let's say, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we have to find an ON time. So we have to find an ON time. Basically, that means going over just once. Dude, I wanted to go for Advent of Code, but right now that would be like one of the top. That actually will make me a better developer. It's just because of work. I know Advent of Code takes time, and I don't have the time right now. Maybe in future I will do it just on the weekend special streams, but right now I don't have the time. Okay, all the best, Panda. All the best. Yeah, but that actually, like, I know one thing I can tell you is person I saw it from and who did it really well was my boy Primegan. He did a really good job when it comes to Advent of Code. Yeah. So he is a good one to look if you are going for Advent of Code. And Advent of Cyber is me, then there is a bunch of other people. But okay, this is something interesting. Why keeps like sleeping so much? Long time sub, let's do it. Yeah. So given an unsorted array of integers, return the length of the longest consecutive element sequence. Okay. No, 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 no. Oh, wait. I think I have some idea. I have an idea. So let's, in this case, we will use hash map, right? In this case, we use hash map. Ah, because I was thinking in hash map, right? We can have like whatever is the digit, let's say 0, 1, 2, 3. Then 0, okay, it starts with 0. What is the, does it has 1? Whatever, like let's say we have array here. 1 comes, 2 comes. If 4 comes, we don't do it here. But let's say 4 comes now. Is we see 3, 4 comes, 5 comes, 6 comes, 7 comes. Right? Dude, hash map is the way so many times. It's legit the best answer. But it won't work because like I I if I let's say if that has will be if I'm going from 0 to 1 to 3. What if I have like 3, then 2, then 5? I don't know where to, is it going to be here? And then if it comes 0, how will I do it? There is a way. There is, I think, actually a way. But let's think about a different way. Well, I think there is. I'll give you what I have in my mind right now working, which might work in this case. One solution would be is that going back to hash map, right? Going back to hash map, we have. Let's say if the array looks something like this. Wait, you done it? What? Am I idiot? You have actually done it? Wait. So let's say if we have here, right? 3 comes, 4 comes. This starts from 3. 4 is added here, but 4 is 3 plus 1. So we look here. 3. Uh, no. Wrench, did you actually do it? Completed it? Send the link. What is your ON? Oh, you did a problem like this few days ago. I see. So how can this be done in ON time? ON time. Nah, I'm good, man. Thank you so much for that. One could be like insertion in a different array, but then that will, like, let's say if I insert, it will become like a on log n anyways. That won't do the job for me. What can be done? Like, if I have a numbers array, I want to find the longest consecutive ones. First, let's find all the consecutive elements, right? Hmm. What is the all the consecutive elements? If I go with 100, let's say if this is the case, if I have 100 comes, right? I put it in my hash map. Then comes 4, not related to this. 200 is anything. Ah, this will require some thinking. This requires some brain power. It's so hot. What is a good way, like, to do it? I need to think. And I know this is a hash map. It comes under the hash map one. If I have, one sec. If I have 100 comes in, then 4, is 3 a thing? No, then we'll put 4. 200 is 199 a thing? No. When now comes 1, is 0 a thing here? No. Is 3 here? Now 3 comes. 3 has 4. Oh, maybe more like a linked list might work, right? Linked list type thing might work here. 3 will connect to 4. 2, it brings in 2. This will connect to 3 if 3 is there. And 3 is a thing. 1 will connect to 2. And 2 will connect to 3. 3 will connect to 4. Okay, there is that way, like a list or making links to every node. Dude, I can't think about it. My brain is not working. Array hash table union find. What's union find? What is union find? Give me this collection of disjoint sets. Okay, we have something like this. Thank you, bro. Thank you. So union find data structure, also known as disjoint set union, is a data structure used to manage a collection of disjoint non-overlapping sets. It efficiently supports two primary operations, find and union. And union 1 merges the sets containing elements x and y into a single combined set if x and y are not already in the same set. Okay. Alrighty, actually, interesting. Given 10 individual ABCD, following are the relationships to be added: A, B, B, D, all this. Whether it's A is a friend of D or not, we create 4 graphs and maintain quickly. Okay. Okay, this is our data structure then. Interesting. I have no idea about this data structure. I had no idea about this data structure before this. Anybody wants to go to Auckland, New Zealand for $1,300? There's a Cyber Monday deal going on. Round trip per person, 1,300. Bro, that's way cheaper than that's like half the price of going to India from here. What the heck? That's crazy, racist. Okay. Introduction to disjoint set, union find data structure. Two sets are called disjoint sets if they do not have any element in common. The disjoint set data structure is used to store such sets. It supports the following operations: merging two disjoint sets to a single set using union operation, finding representative of a disjoint set using find operation. Okay, but did you use this data structure? Find, check if two elements belong to the same set or not. They mainly find representative of both. Oh, you use like some algorithm? Oh, you use set. You use the set. Okay. Hash set. I have not. I know what hash set is, but I haven't used it in Python much. Data structure stores a collection of unique elements, meaning it does not allow duplicate values. Yes. Efficient operations, hashing mechanism. Okay. I'm just thinking, okay, we need set. Okay, got that part. Okay, I'll take my glasses off for today. My brain has been going bong bong. So going back here, अपने पास है 100 comes in. We put into our set, let's say. Now comes 4, but like why we are doing this set? Maybe use multiple sets. Multiple sets. So I created one of 100. Now, let's say I create another set of 4. But before I create a set of 4, I check, okay, in create a hash map maybe. Let's say I create a hash map. I add 100 here. And I'm always looking for, I will say, can hash sets be used as keys in dictionary? Oh, we have hash sets as keys, so okay, that's good. So if we have hash sets as keys, I'll create a set, right, and mention, okay, its length, right, let's say 1, right. Now 4, what all available hash sets are there? I want to check if any of the sets has 3. If not, I'm going to create a set of 4. Now 200, is any 199 available? No. Now comes 1. 0 is not available here. Okay. 3. I have to check before and after, I guess. So if I have 3 come in, right? 3 will check 2 is available. No. 4 is available. Yes. So we remove this one and create something like 3, 4. Or instead of removing this one, actually, I'll take this set and add 3 to it. right? And this becomes 2. These are 1 still. Now I have 2. Is there a set of 1? Yes. So this will become 1 and 2, and this will become 2. Now it will look for if there is anything bigger. If there is something bigger, we merge that set into this one. So it will become 3, 4, and now its length will be whatever, 4. Reach the end. Now we find which one of them has the highest value, and that will give us our answer. But let's run this through, right? So create set. Oh wait, check if n minus 1 and n plus 1 is already available, right? If it is available, right, if n plus n minus 1 is available, merge into it. If n plus 1 is available, right, and n minus 1 is not available, merge into this one, n plus 1. But if n minus 1 was available and n plus 1 is also available, merge everything into n minus 1. Whatever, like whatever is the case, right? And insert back. Okay, we got, I think feel like this will work, right? I feel like this will work. And we can have hash set as keys in the dictionary. From keys, my set, and wait, give error. Wait, do you think it will give error? It's a wrong way to do it. Oh, when I submit, it should give error. Even if it is right, it would give error. Yeah. What error? You mean like the runtime error, time limit exceeded or something? Acha, I see. Okay. So let's see. Our main goal first, and going back from step 1, right? Which was first, let's create our dictionary. Creates a dictionary. For num in nums, if num my dictionary num minus 1, so dot get, if this is available, remove that one, remove the hash set from that one, and add this one. So temporary set will be equal to num minus 1. No, 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 no. This is wrong. This is going to be wrong. I'm trying to look for a set that will have num minus 1, not this. Okay, that's not the right way then. But n minus 1, I can have n minus 1 itself pointing to something. So my dictionary should more look like something like this. There would be, let's say, value A, B, C. They all are looking at a set. They are all going for sets. I check A can be n minus 1, B can be n plus my n plus 1, then they will become, this will become A and stuff. Okay. But let's say if the value comes out something that is not n plus 1 but it's here. This is rough. I need to maintain first and last numbers then. Dude, how will I do this? My brain is not working. This is actually Yo, Wrench, when you did this problem, like, or similar one, how long it took you, man? This is like a kind of taking more time than I thought. It's a little bit more time consuming. Like, bro, when you are logged in, I don't even want to message so that you don't get distract yourself. Thank you, man. I respect you for that. Okay, can I speak a little louder? Okay. My question is, like, when you started, like, the first time, right? Oh, okay, all good. Don't worry. But what I was saying, you mentioned that you were able to do this problem because you did another problem similar to this some time ago. How long it took you to do this problem, or say a problem for the first time, something with this? I will also take off my headphones and I can increase my volume by reducing this. Okay, this will much be better. Yeah. 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, that's good. That's good. Best possible answer. Yep, yep, yep. Okay. Because I have like, the idea is like, I need to find, let's say, if there is a number I get, let's say x1, I need to see x0 if that's pointing to something, on x2 if those two numbers have sets of their own. I have to check them. But let's say if I get a number that is x4 and it's x5 is x3 4 something is present, x3 is present here, I won't be able to get my x3 if the value is like x4, because all I see is x0 and 2. Okay, let's look at this union find data structure. See, maybe we can get some information here. So two sets are called disjoint sets if they don't have any element in common. The disjoint set data structure is used to store such sets. It supports the following operations: merging two distinct sets to a single set using union, find representative of a disjoint set using find operation, check if two elements are belong to the same set or not. Consider a solution with number of persons and the following tasks to be performed on them. Okay, we have new friendship relation, that is a person X becomes the third becomes the friend of another person Y, adding new element to X. Okay, something like this will be created. Find whether X and Y belong to the same group or not. Find if X, that is find if X and Y are direct or indirect friends. Partitioning the individual. Okay, so data structure is use our array, an array of integers called parents. If we are dealing with n items, the ith element of the array represent the ith item. More respectively, the ith element of the parent array is the parent of the ith item. So, and in the back we have another tree. It's a disjoint set. Two elements are in the same. Oh wait, we can use trees as well. Did you try num-1 and check if the set is if it's there or not? My question actually comes to you then. What I was thinking is with the num-1, let's say, I'll give you an easy example, right? So let's say I have number 1 I saw, right? And already I have seen 0 and 2. They both will have their set with 0 as this and this. So if I see 1, I will say, okay, 0 is a part of it. I will take 1 here. Right? And the set will become like something like this first, 0 comma 1. And then I see num plus 1 is there. I delete this thing. I remove this and add 2 here as well. Right? I have to post like extremes of both, I believe. Maybe 2. Okay, like let's say I have this, right? But question is, if I see instead of 1, I had, and this was something like here. And if I see 4, if I see 4, I won't be able to see 2. I need to find a way to see 3 and see if 3 is available, already added. I think if I go back, how can I create a dictionary with hash set as the key? Yeah, like they are consecutive, but like it's not in a sorted manner. So let's say if I see 4, it should be added to this one, right? The 2's set. But how will I see 3? Use hash set create set comparable. Okay. Hmm. Just look around a little, you will find the chain. Maybe I have to do extremes of both, right? Can I have array? As a tuple, we can. Huh. I need a way in the to be able to access what are the two extreme values. Because let's say if I have 4 and 4 can come any number of times, I don't care. I just want to see if 4 has already been there, and if it hasn't been, it should be able to see 3. Okay, it should be able to see 3. How it will see 3? We have two extremes, the smallest one, then the largest one. Okay, then we can either have it as array or something. And then we replace the array. Bro, my brain is cooked. It's overheating right now. How will I do it? How will I do it? I need, like, the only thing I need to know is like how I will be able to retrieve some using a data structure that I can get left and right. I don't want to use strings, may not be the best way because I want the operation to be done fast. Set is one extreme way. And can I have sets in hash map? Ahidor, what's up, bro? Howdy, howdy, howdy. Is an immutable version of a set, making it hashable and suitable. Okay, so we have frozen set we can use. Okay. With frozen sets, we can have left and right, and then we can just remove that one and release a new one. Okay. That's one way. Hola. Oh, good to go. Okay. All the best, man. Okay, so that's one way. If we use frozen set, frozen sets, and how will it work is that I create a hash. No, hash map won't work. I should not be stuck to hash map. Find a way if there is and this will point to what about if I have an array of sets? This is 1, 2, and this is all the sets that are consecutive. So it starts with 100, right? And it is a array list or whatever. I see, going back to the from the problem, right? The sample from the problem. Going back from here, and then we have this. Okay, so 100. Now we have like actually at 4. I check. He might be busy with the college and everything, right? He's might be busy with something. It's fine. Happens. So it goes check if 3 is present in this one. If yes, it's not. Okay, that's fine. Creates its own. 200, same thing. And 1 as the same thing. Now 3 checks all, but like it takes a lot of time, man. Three goes, this set will I don't want to go again and again. I want like one way to be able to retrieve this set. What that way is basically hash map, right? I just did hash set store all in it and then check num minus 1 if there is or not, get the starting point 100. Oh, that's actually a good way, yes. So just put all in set. You put all them in set, so we'll have 100, 4, 3, 2, we have 1 somewhere. I remove these commas. 0, 200. Now you start with 100. 99 is not there, so we go to the next one in the array. 4, is 3 there? Yes. Count plus 1. Is 2 there? Yes. Count plus. And then is 1 there? Yes. Is 0 there? Yes. So in this case, we went on creating the set. Then we just went on again on the file. So this will actually work for on. That's actually nice. Thank you, Wrench. Thank you. Just thinking. Yeah, I think this will work. And 2, we can have like, okay, has another set. 4 has touched 100, we have touched. 2 we have touched. Now if we reach 2, we don't have to go on in the array. Okay, I think this will do. Dude, I am drinking hot and cold, both I have. This one is cold. This one has a little bit tea in it. Why cold? It has electrolytes and some vitamin C and D powder. Oh yeah, it's pretty cold outside. It's -3 right now. The tea doesn't have much vitamins. It's just basically the tea, like a herbal tea. So I stay awake, not sleep on the stream itself. Yeah, that's all. Okay, going back, right? So now we create a set. Let's say my set white tea, hot water with electric stuff. No. You always put electrolytes in the cold one. I don't drink. Yeah, simple water is also great, man. I just need it because I need my like when winters happen, right, in Canada, you usually don't go out, right? You don't get much sunlight, so you want vitamin C with you. Vitamin C, and these are some ways. Vitamin D, vitamin C, all these things, specifically vitamin D, you need to get. So we have this set, right? For num in nums, my set dot add Okay, that's a good one. Yep. I'll give you that, mate. I'll give you that. Max count equal to 0 in nums if num one in my set and then we start another count here. Count plus equals 1 while num minus 1, instead of num minus 1 I will say temp is equal to num temporary minus 1 in set count plus 1 temp minus equals 1. Yes, it is there. Keep doing, keep counting. Max count is equal to max of max count comma count. This will keep going from, let's say, 100, but there's this one goes to like 4 3 2 1 0, and let's create another set already is visited one. Ready visited or visited. To save our time. So if it's this is another set we create. And temp minus 1 not in my set. Keep doing as soon as there is there. Oh no, this one will complicate. Okay, so let's not do this one. Okay, and return max count. Okay, all passed. Is judging. They changed the symbol for the premium users, eh? Time limit exceeded. And that's on 72 out of 8. Okay. What I can do is create another one. Visited and put hash in it. Or use it as a hash map. Yeah, it works. Yeah, but I think I can make it faster. And temp minus 1 not in. Yeah, I'm speed visited. If it's not in visited, keep going. If temp minus 1 in visited count plus equal visited temp -1, whatever is the value here, and whatever is comes out the maximum count, and visited num is equal to this count. Let's see if this runs fine. Yeah. Let's see. Again, okay, this time we are at 75 instead of 72. Huh. How can I make it faster? If I want to use this test kit, so holy. Time limit exceeded. And there's so much. So many more. Yep, work. But I only have 13 minutes because I have to go sleep. I have the meeting, very important meeting in the morning. Fastest way to put all numbers in. Set of the list, okay. Nums. Let's see if that helps in any ways. Nope, looks like time limit exceeded again. Come on. How can I make it faster and probably something more? I'm going this thing. THM is gay, by the way. They didn't invited my boy CH into their celeb. Thank you, man. Hopefully next year they will invite me. Because I've seen people like with like 2-3 thousand followers, so hopefully this year they will invite me. The next year, AOC 2026. If they do, I will like try to give like so many more giveaways. That'll be so nice. Uh, uh, Yeah, probably. Just keep on promoting their one for free, and in future they will pay me for to do the same. That's basically it, eh? Time limit exceeded. How I can going once, and this is a big one, but this shouldn't be that way because first one will take times from second time onwards. Only the ones that are there. Hmm. If I can optimize this thing, this would be big time help. Okay, I'll send the code. Uh, should I send in the? I'll just send here. Let me know if you anybody else wants it too. I'll send it in Discord. But for now, I'm just sending it to you here, bro. I'll send it where blue teaming Python. Oh, I haven't seen this at all. Upload a file. Okay, here you go, bro. I can't type wrench properly. Holy. Today was a tiring day. Like yesterday was the most tiring thing. Sleeping at 2 3 a.m. and like not able to sleep after that properly. Going to bed at 2 3 a.m. Huh. Temp 1 invisited. So if this is it, this will break. It will come here. This is almost like ON square, right? If you think about it. ON and this is ON square. We need to do it in ON way. Because if the first one is like that, it will take ON square. Yeah, your code is good, but it does look back, so more memory and more memory take time. Yeah. No, it's not looking back taking the memory, bro. No, like yeah, like but thing is, I will tell you something about this code, right? Here, think about this way. My code. Holy, that's a really bad circle. So let's say this is my set, right? This is my set, and it has, let's say, starting from 1,000, and it has 9999, right? 998 da 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 da. It has like 3 2 1. It has all these numbers. I did it in the worst way possible. But I think, let's say it has 999 998 1 2 3, all the numbers, right, from 1,000 to this. Oh, thank you, dad. So it has from 1,000 to 1, right? Let's say In our first case, if let's say 1000 is our first case, it will go from 1000 to 1, and then after that it is more like it's easy to look back because I'm saving every time what is like, okay, it reaches 1000. Oh wait, oh that's actually, there is a optimization. No, there is not. You can't tell properly. With 1000 it goes to like 1. It will say, okay, let's say the another map, h map 1000 will be recorded as, let's say 1000 here value, whatever. Then if it has 9999, oh, I think I found something. Maybe it might work. No. Is 9999, it will also go 9999 times, which is a bad thing. You send something, okay. Num set, maximum length 0. Not in num set, current num is equal to num. Okay. So we have number set, okay, maximum length for num in the num set. If number is 1 not in num set, okay, it's the bottom one is not there, keep doing. If the above one is there, current, keep going. Okay, let's see this. Wait, your one did it. What? If only check if it starts from a sequence. Oh, you are going from bottom up. I'm going from top to bottom. You are going from bottom to top. I see. Which actually will be better, because then in that case this will be prevented, right? 1 2 reaches, let's say 9, or 2 is already there. Yes, you're right. Yes, you're right. Okay, so if I had my previous case, right, instead of, if num plus 1 in the set, if num plus 1 is already in the set, count plus 1. I understand, man. I hate the coding too, but that's how it is. So for nums in num, right, count plus and stuff, keep going up. If count plus 1 already in this set, now keep going up. And your case was, so if I remove, if I just do it this way, This is basically what you did. Maybe not. How is your one so different than mine that mine is giving error? Num set and maximum length for num in num set. If num minus 1 not in num set, current num is equal to num. If it is in the set, so your one is if oh, you are checking that way, yeah. Or my set, I think. But like when if I'm what I did wrong with like my checking top two in. No, I'm just saying like you are doing top bottom up, right? And I was doing sorry, you are doing top to bottom top bottom to top, and I was doing top to bottom. Mine one has issues. Cannot access local variables count. Okay, my apologies. Oh, max count can just go like this actually. Okay. Sorry, I'm speaking a bit lower. I'm just thinking at the same time. Oh, I didn't. Should be like this. Bro, now. Yeah, see, like. That is actually like top to bottom, bottom to top. That's how I have to look later. Yeah, I have no idea what Canada does, man. Canada got to me, that's for sure. Canadians got me, man. Big time. And I'm very, very tired right now. My brain is so much in the shutdown mode, I can't explain. Holy. Okay, that was interesting for sure. That was interesting for sure. Oh, alrighty, lads. Thank you so much for joining today. Sorry, cannot be a longer one. We did our problem, thanks to Wrench. But yeah, I'm going to go to sleep now. I have meeting at 8 in the morning, and after that, 9 a.m. PST, so that would be 10:30 IST. We'll do our Try Hack Me Day 3 together. Till then, a very big thank you for joining. Especially thanks, Wrench, for helping. Thank you all, and I will see you. Not long, yeah, just 1 hour, not super long. Not long compared to other days, I will say. Okay, till then, thank you so much. Yeah, sounds good. Will do. Thank you so much, lads. Thank you, Wrench. And I will see you guys later. A big, big, big thank you from heart, right? And a big bye coming your way with thank you. Thank you so much. Uh, bajillion, trillion, quadrillion dollar USB. I don't think that's available, man. Thank you, man. Have a good day. Peace out.